Alright, my bolt replacements are here for BMW 330i. I recently extracted broken studs out of the engine block, one for oil pan, and I couldn't just buy 7 of them, so I just buy the whole kit. And they come with the instructions, which is kind of nice. And let's see if there's everything on here that we need to put these things on a car properly. Yeah, they give us size of the bolts and length, and they give us proper torque. So I'm gonna convert this torque into the torque range. The one I have shows us 6 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna convert that down on inch pounds. That way I can use a smaller wrench. So if I get 6 foot-pounds down to inch pounds, then I get 70.2 inch pounds. And size on it, let's see if I can zoom that in. It's number 12, so it's E12. So they do come with a little bit of the tread locket on them, which is kind of a good idea too. It's nice to have it. So I'm gonna go under the car now and put a couple of them on and tie them down properly with the proper torque. And we'll just follow the instruction like I said. I convert this foot-pounds down to inch pounds and I end up to be 70.2. So I'm gonna just go with that and I hope for best. Alright, here I am under the car now. So I'm gonna try to put a couple of these bolts on. I already did this one here at 70.2 or 72 inch pounds. So first I'm going to put them up with the hand. I'm going to first do it like this. Okay, you don't want to over tie it. See, I just bring them up to the top. Now I'm gonna swap the torque, the wrench real quick. A little uncomfortable to work with one hand. In the other hand, I'm kind of holding the camera in. But so here's a wrench. You see what I'm holding in my hand? I don't want to hold it back here in the middle of the handle. So I got to be right back here because this thing has been made that you hold it here. When you set your torque, you have to hold it back here in order to work properly. So I'm gonna just kind of go slowly until it doesn't click. You don't have to go too crazy with it. Slow and comfortable. There you go. So you see that it kind of bent and click right there. I'm gonna just give a little more to this one because this one isn't tight out. That's it. So this is 72 inch pounds. That's basically how you would put them up. Nothing too special really to it, but just making sure it's done properly. Proper torque is very important on a car to every bolt they have and nut. I know some guys out there say, oh, just hand tie it, but it's for a reason. They all have a proper torque set for a reason, so it's good to follow. Alright guys, thank you for watching.